So it's very common that some people are denied access into work, access into an house bedroom, or access into many other things because they are having a fiction special. The fact that your fiction special is having the same color with the person that is standing next to you does not automatically mean that you people are having the same paragraphs. So many people get so confused to know that fiction special, even when it comes to travel purposes, it's not the same with everybody. There are many kinds of fictions beshinigo. So in this video, we are going to talk about the various kinds. What you have to first of all know is the law that governs the fictions beshinigo is under the paragraph 81 of entire Gazette. Alright? But under this paragraph, you have now sub-paragraphs that govern every person's own fictions beshinigo. The first one that we have to look at is what we call the fourth Fortgeltungsfiction. Fiction. That is the paragraph. It's 1, 4, verse 1. And this paragraph is mostly given for people who already have a residence permit here in Germany and they want to change it or extend it, okay? Change it means you want to move from your residence permit to another kind of status. Take, for example, that you're having the 25B. Now you want to apply for, you think that you're qualified and you want to apply for Niederlassungserlaubnis. During that period where your 25B has already expired and the period where they're going to be granting you your 25B, depending on the foreign office that you are tied with, they might be giving you now a Fortgeltungsfiction. Inside this Fortgeltungsfiction, all the rights that you were having from your previous 25B will still hold, which means you can travel, you can work, you're free to do everything. Okay, we have now the second case, which is the Erlaubnis fiction. This is mostly given for people who, for example, they come from positive states. Positive states are those states that are allowed to enter into Germany. And when they're in Germany, they might now be demanding for a visa to stay for the period of time which they find themselves here. So in this period, when you come, by the time you're applying for your visa, the time that you're waiting in between before the visa is being issued, you might be given now an Erlaubnis fiction, which is the paragraph 81, 3, verse 1. Then you have people who actually forget to apply for their visa or renew their residence permit in time. Those are the people that will be given now the third form of the fiction, which is called the Dodungsfiction. Okay, it is given to you because one, you have applied after your residence permit has already expired. So in order for the housing behavior to prove you back, if you meet the requirements of the previous residence permit that you were holding, you might now be given the paragraph 81, 3, verse 2, which is a Dodungsfiction. Then you have the other case for people who have a residence permit, have put in the requirements to apply on time and everything is moving, and the housing behavior sees it as positive that they're going to grant them the residence permit, but the card is not available. You will be given this paper. This paper that you'll be handing over is it's mostly the 81.5a. The paragraph 81.5a. Okay, so with this, you are allowed to take it to your work and show them that you have renewed your visa, but you are still waiting for your card. So whatever regulated your work rights in the previous permit also regulates it in this paper that you're holding. But only with this paper, you cannot travel. You cannot move in and out of Germany the way you want and come back. Okay, so for all these fictions form that we have talked about, the one that is free, that you're free to move out of Germany, come back, work, do as you like, is only the Fortgeltungsfiction, the 81.4 verse 1. All the other types, you are restricted in your mood, in your travel. Okay, you're restricted in your travel, you're restricted in your mobility out of Germany. So for those of you who always want to find out if you can travel with your fiction or not, first of all, the first thing you have to know is what kind of fiction you are holding. And secondly, even if you're holding the right type of fiction that allows you to travel out of Germany, like the 81.4, which is the Fortgeltungsfiction, you always have to find out if the receiving country also allows you to enter with a fiction. It's very important. Which implies you moving out of Germany at will, you will not probably be able to return. So before you take any move, make sure you know the type of fiction that you're holding.